Nice to meet you, sir.
Same here.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. And how's your life?
It's good in your life?
It's too good.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ruchi Gautam.
Ruchi, where do you come from?
I come from Madhapur Ganga Darwaja, Farkhabad.
What's your father?
My father is a businessman.
Do you belong to a middle class family or
Yes, I belong to middle class family.
what's your mother?
My mother is a housemaker.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
You have 3 siblings. So how many brothers do you have?
I have 1 brother.
Okay. And how many sisters you have?
I have 2 younger sisters.
So you have 2 younger sisters. So are they students?
Yes, they are students.
They are. So how long have you been living in Farrukhabad?
I have been living in Farkhabad since my childhood.
Since your childhood. What have you done?
I have done 12 from KG degree inter college from Farkhabad.
Okay. And how much you scored in inter?
I have scored 75% in inter.
Are you satisfied with the marks?
No, I'm not satisfied with my marks.
So you want to score more marks.
Yes, I want to score more marks.
Okay, more marks. What are you pursuing now?
I'm pursuing BTech in Computer Science from NIT Jamshedpur.
Okay. So have you taken admission in Jamshedpur?
Yes, I have taken admission in Jamshedpur.
Okay. What's your dream of life?
The dream of my life is to do job in Google
Okay, in Google. Why only in Google? Why not in any other company?
because the competition to do job in Google is very tough and I want to compete with others.
Okay, you want to compete with others. Acha, who is the CEO of Google? Do you know?
Actually, I don't know the pronunciation of their name properly.
Okay. So do you like English?
Yes, I like English
Why do you like English?
because when I speak English, I feel confidence and I talk to my friend which belongs to other states.
Okay. So do you have how many friends you have? They belong to other states. Many.
I have 5 friends
Okay.
which they belong to other states.
May I know those states that they belong to?
They belong to Andhra Pradesh, USA, Saudi Arab, and Bengal.
Bengal. Okay. So they also cracked the IIT.
Yes, they cracked the IIT.
Very good. So how do you feel that you have cracked it?
I feel good.
You feel good. Your parents are happy with it.
Yes, my parents were happy with it.
Okay. So have you got the government college?
Yes, I have got the government college.
You have got the government. What was the merit?
There is no merit. There is a all India rank and category rank.
What was your rank?
My AIR rank is 1 lakh and category rank is 10,000.
10,000. What do you think that are you good? Are you a good student?
No, I'm average student.
You're average student. Okay. Where do you belong to?
I belong to Meerut.
You belong to Meerut. So how long have you been staying in Farrukhabad? Since childhood?
Yes, since childhood I have been living in Farkhabad.
Okay. So your father is a government person?
No, my father is not a government person. He is
Okay.
a businessman.
He is a businessman. So why you left Meerut? Why you came in Farrukhabad?
I don't know because that time
I was
childhood. That's
I was child.
I was child.
Okay. Didn't you ever ask your parents that why did you leave Meerut?
No, I never asked.
You never asked. Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening to music and solving maths.
Listening to music and
Solving maths.
solving maths. Okay. And which is your hobby horse?
My hobby horse is listening to music.
Listening to music. So do you like mild music or wild music?
I like mild music.
You like? So do you like old songs or new songs?
Both. I like old and new both songs.
Both songs. Don't you watch television?
I don't watch television.
So watching television is sheer wastage of time.
No, it's not a wastage of time, but I watch videos on my phone. That's why
Okay, you
I
watch
don't
videos on your
television.
phone. Okay, what phone do you have?
I have Samsung phone.
Okay, you have Samsung. So do you want to buy any other phone?
No, I don't want to buy any other phone.
Okay, suppose if you get a job, then what phone you would like to buy?
No phone.
Okay.
I don't want to buy any phone. When
No,
I
most of the people they say that if I get good job, then I will buy Apple. Do you like?
No, I don't like. I'm satisfied with my phone.
Okay. Matlab, you don't believe in showing off.
Yeah, I
You-
don't believe in showing off.
Okay. So what type of person you think you are?
I'm a jolly type person and free temper.
Okay. You don't get angry.
No,
Never.
I get angry when someone tease me very badly.
Okay, when somebody teases you very badly. If suppose I tease you very badly in office right now while having chat, then you will get angry.
No, then I don't get angry.
Then you won't get angry. Okay. So tell me, where American stands in your life? Matlab, what is the value of American in your life?
The value of American in my life is so important because I learn spoken English, and with the help of English I can converse with my friends, with my teachers, and with my younger sister.
Okay, so now you feel confident
Yeah.
in English.
Yes, I feel confidence in English.
Okay. Do you watch English movies or videos?
I watch English videos sometimes.
Okay, so your syllabus which you are studying right now is in English? The syllabus is in English?
Yeah, the whole syllabus of my graduation is in English.
Okay, and teachers, your online classes are running as you
Yes.
prepare for some project and your orientation, then that lecture is conducted in English or in Hindi?
Lecture is conducted in English and Hindi both, but mostly it conducted in English.
Mostly it is conducted in English. Do you like animals?
I like animals.
You like animals?
I like cat
You like cat. Why?
because its eyes were so horrible. That's why I like.
You like horrible things.
Yeah.
So it means you like ghosts.
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
You don't. Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God.
But you don't worship.
I don't worship.
You don't worship. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
So do you go for morning walk?
No, I don't go for a morning walk.
You don't go for morning walk. You don't need. You are fit and fine. So what do you think? That a person should exercise or not?
A person should exercise because when we exercise and do yoga, we feel relaxed and calm.
We feel relaxed and calm. Okay. What are you in the habit of?
I'm in the habit of smiling.
You are in the habit of smiling every time.
No.
Even in difficulties.
No. Sometimes in difficulties also.
Sometimes in difficulties also. Matlab, having a smile on face is the solution.
It's of problems.
Is the solution of problems. Okay. Do you watch our motivational videos?
I don't watch motivational videos.
So you think that you are enough to be motivated?
Self-motivational is more important than to see motivational movies.
Motivational movies or videos. Okay. So as you said that you want to join Google in future, so what type of job profile you want to occupy?
I want to occupy job of software.
Related to software. So you want to be a software engineer. Okay. So do you want to develop any application or any software for?
Yeah, I want to, but now I don't decide.
Okay, so you are learning coding right now?
Yes, I start coding now.
Okay, now you have started or you will start?
I have started.
You have started coding. Okay. So matlab a person who has learned coding, that person can make software easily?
No, they can't make software easily. They have to practice on it.
They have to practice on it. But I have seen so many videos, or even I have seen so many people on YouTube, even on Facebook, after making some of the application or software, they have become millionaire or billionaire. Is it?
Yeah.
It is. Okay. Acha, what is your favorite time pass? Matlab, what you do in leisure?
I appreciate music in leisure.
Okay, you have only appreciate music in leisure. Okay. How many best friends you have?
I have 5 best friends.
So they belong to Farrukhabad?
Some of them belong to Farrukhabad and some of them belong to other cities.
Other cities or other states too?
No, only other cities.
Only other cities. Okay. Here, as you said that you live at Mau Darwaza.
No, I live at Madhapur Ganga Darwaja, Farrukhabad.
Where it is?
It is near Bhairoghat Mandir.
Okay. Oh, near Amethi, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you come to American?
I come to American by cycle.
Okay. And who do you come to American with?
I come to American with my friend Shivani.
Okay. Who is your idol?
There is no ideal
Of yours?
of me.
Of mine?
Of mine.
Okay. Well, you don't follow anyone?
No.
Now, and what's your strength?
My strength is that I believe in myself.
You believe in yourself. Are you hardworking?
Yes, I'm hardworking.
Do you study at night?
Yes, I study at night.
Till what time?
I study at night till 12 o'clock.
Till 12 o'clock. And what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
You wake up at
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. So how often do you exercise? How often do you solve math?
I solve maths 2 to 3 hours.
Oh, 2 to 3 hours continuously you solve.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you take junk food?
Yes, I take junk food.
Which is your favorite junk food?
My favorite junk food is momos.
Is momos. Do you dine out? Matlab you go for dining out with family for
No.
dinner.
I don't go dining out with my family.
So do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday on 11th Feb.
11th Feb. So have you already celebrated yours?
Yes, I have already celebrated.
So who did you celebrate your birthday with?
I have celebrated my birthday with my family and friends.
With your family. So did you cut the cake?
Yes, I cut the cake.
And did you invite your friends?
I invited my friends.
But you didn't invite me?
Sorry, sir.
Why didn't you invite me on 11th?
Because it's a small party and
So what? I can also be the part of that small party. You should have invited me.
okay, next time I will.
No, next time. Now you can give me the party.
Yes, I can give you the party on Holi.
Oh, very good. You're a smart girl that you want to give me the party. Are you miser?
No, I'm not miser.
You're not miser. Are you corrupt?
No, I'm not corrupt.
Are you proud?
No, I'm not proud.
You're not proud. Are you cool and calm type of
Yeah.
girl? Okay. Okay. I want to ask you a question related to a topic. The topic is reservation. So, are you in the favor of reservation?
Yes, sometimes I'm in the favor of reservation and sometimes I don't. I'm
Fa-
not in the favor of reservation because in the SC category people get admission very easily on the
Basis of.
on the basis of reservation, but general people don't take admission on behalf of their marks
Okay.
because when they want to take admission they have to
Score more
score
mark.
more.
Okay.
Like in NIT, if they want to take admission in NIT and IT, they have to score 99 percentile, and the SC candidate can take admission on 90 percentile also.
On behalf of 90%.
Yeah.
Okay. So the reservation system is somewhere good, somewhere
Somewhere
bad. Somewhere bad. So you come in that category or not?
Yes,
I
coming
come.
in that category.
Okay, you come in that category. So you also have taken the admission behalf of reservation.
No, I have taken the admission of my rank.
Very good, very good. Okay, what's your weakness, Ruchi?
My weakness is that I'm emotional person.
You're emotional. So being emotional is good for a person or
Being
not?
emotional is not good for person.
So sometimes it also happens that people they take advantages of emotional people. Okay, so you should be strong, I think.
Yeah, my mother told me that you should be strong. That's why I don't get emotional very easily.
Now you don't get emotional very easy. Are you confident type of person?
Yes, I'm a confident type of person.
Okay, do you cook?
Yes, I cook.
Cooking is your hobby or a time pass?
Cooking is not my hobby. It's when my mother said me, then I cook.
Then only you cook. Very good. Nice meeting you.
Thank you, sir.